Right, this is Mamelodi 10 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town City, North. My brother, how's it?
I am on top of the world, my brother. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thanks, man. How do you feel about the game tonight?
There's nothing to say. The statement has been written, faxed. But I hope they received it.
Yeah.
That's all I can say.
Thoroughly, so did you really enjoy it yourself tonight?
I enjoyed it beyond measures.
Yeah.
It was something for me that was just astoundingly out of this world. The football they played, they just something else, man. They just something else.
Beautiful
Football from Sundowns.
Who impressed you yourself? Who impressed you tonight?
Tonight, funny enough, Heaven from Cape Town City, youngster coming up, he's putting the work in, and the work is showing, and he's coming hard. And for me tonight, he was just doing it like crazy.
Yeah. You play Kaizer Chiefs, Callum Black Label. What do you think that match will pan out?
Tell me about something that's worth talking about. After the statement we wrote tonight as Sundowns, I don't think there's any team that's coming our way that's gonna be something.
So you think it's gonna beat Kaizer Chiefs again?
Oh, we're not gonna beat them. We're gonna embarrass them.
No, all the best, my brother. Keep well.
Thank you, my
G.
G.
Hola.